Hi guys, Lens here, and in this video we are going to do a battery replacement for this phone. Well, this one is a Digi, this one is a 3, but for some reason the model is not listed at the back, but this one is definitely the A3, right? So we are going to heat the back off and we are going to replace the battery, right? As you can see the model number right there, so we are going to do so, right? And we're just basically testing to see how stiff this back is on, and we're trying to create an opening so we can insert like a business card or something like that. So as you can see, we are actually in. We are going to try the business card now. And we are just going to take our time and use the business card. So guys, we just took off the back cover and you can see the adhesive that is on the back glass, and you want to take off the back glass without damaging it. So you want to be careful with the fingerprint scanner. So here we go. So we just unplug the battery, and then you want to use this plastic and you want to pull the battery up. So this is the battery and it's quite soft. It's quite soft. This is the new battery that we have here. We are going to install and we are going to connect the battery. So guys, the battery is now connected and we are going to put back on this plastic piece. So what we're going to do, we are going to give this phone some charge. There also seems to be a problem with this port for this phone. Yeah, so as you can see, it's charging there. We are going to turn on the phone. Here we go. Ensure that the fingerprint scanner is in perfect position. So guys, we are done.